Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, hearty welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go and hit the subscribe button right now so that you will not miss any of my important updates on interview cracking and communication skills tips. Alright? I hope you got that and you hit the subscribe button. Thank you. So today we are into day 21 of pronunciation series. In this video, we are going to learn how to pronounce US and UK accent words. Okay? So in this fascinating world of English pronunciation, we have so many accents in the world, right? So the two major accents are British and American, right? So if you have ever wondered how they pronounce the same word in different accents, whether you are in UK or US or in other countries as well, this video is for you. So don't miss it. Watch till the end. Alright, hold your horses. So let's dive in deep. So what is the first word we have today? BATH. How you pronounce this? Let me know how you pronounce this. Record your voice note after watching this video, okay? All the words UK versus US accents. Alright? BATH, which is bath. Right? Bath. Here in UK. In US, bath. Bath. Right? And the second word is PASTA. How you pronounce this word? Do you like pasta? Pasta. In UK, pronounced as, repeat after me, pasta. 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 And in US accent, how you pronounce this? The same word, pasta. 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 So little longer, right? Pasta. The third word what we have here is autumn. AUTUM. Autumn. UK pronunciation is autumn. Autumn. It's a season. Which is your favorite season, by the way? Autumn is one of my favorite seasons. Autumn. Autumn. In US, how you pronounce the same word is Adam. 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 Right? Adam. See the difference? And the next word what we have is the fourth word, GARAGE. What is this? Garage. Right? In UK, British English. Garage. Repeat after me. Garage. Garage. I hope you are doing that. Awesome. And then in US, how you pronounce this? Garage. 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 The same word, but see the difference, right? I hope you are getting the differences of these words. Observe deeply, guys. Yeah. And the fifth word, what we have here is vitamin, which is nothing but vitamin in UK accent, which is nothing but British accent. Vitamin. We call it as what? Repeat after me. That's right, vitamin. Vitamin. Same word, how you pronounce in US accent? It's vitamin. 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 Right? The same word, but little difference. And I hope you got it and you are learning pronunciation, how you pronounce accents, different accents in English. By the way, let me know in which country you live in. Are you using UK English or US English accent? I'm using UK accent as I'm living in India. Alright? Thank you. And super thanks for watching this video. Now it's your turn to record each and every word by using different accents so that you can learn faster. And you see the improvement in no time if you do so. Alright guys, and I hope you found these pronunciation differences interesting and you would love to learn more in future upcoming videos, right? So don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will not miss the pronunciation series updates and all the upcoming videos as well. Alright, so and let me know in the comments if you'd like me to cover more accent difference videos. Alright, in future videos I mean. Until next time, I'll see you. Super happy learning. Bye bye. Take care. Wish you good luck.